right, y'all. So this is a homework question. This question is number 4 out of 11.1. And the problem here says the table shows the number of video games sold worldwide for the 5 highest selling video games in 2010. Assume that this trend continues and that the total of all other video game sales is negligible. If a person purchases one of these video games, determine the empirical probability. Okay, so we got 3 choices here, y'all. Part A says that they're going to pick game number 2. Okay, so y'all, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at our total, and our total appears to be 66,730,000. Okay, and game 2, y'all, appears to be 17,740,000. Okay. So y'all, what you're going to do here, we need to reduce this fraction, okay? And obviously this number is massive, right? So y'all, one thing you could do, you could say, look, let's get rid of those zeros, and now we have 17,740 over 66,730, and then you can even get rid of those zeros, and we can kind of keep going on, right? Y'all, one thing you can do also is we can use our calculator. So y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter both these numbers in my calculator. I'm going to show you how we're going to get our answer, okay? So y'all, we have different calculator apps. Let me see if I can find them right here. So y'all, if you look on my screen on my, let's see, on my third row, so eBay, Sling, Zoom, to the right, there's a calculator app here, y'all, called Calculate 84, and there's another one here called Calc 84. Y'all, I'm doing this on my iPad, but both of those apps, I know at least one of them, y'all, is available on Android products, and obviously they're both available on iOS or Apple products, right? Because I'm doing this on my iPad. So I'm going to click on this one here. Okay, and y'all, the one thing is that these are free, but you get little ads. If they don't bother you, they don't bother me. Okay, so let's see. What was my first number, y'all? My first number was 17,740,000. So let's go like this, 17,740,000, 1, 2, 3, divided by, and my second number, y'all, was 66,730,000. 66,730,000, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. And then, y'all, there's a button here on my calculator. If you look at where the alpha button is, it's the green one. The button underneath says math. If I hit number 1, that will convert it to a fraction for me. Oh, no, that one's not doing it. Okay, let me try this again. Let me try it on this app. Okay, let's see if we can get it to work here. So 17,640,000. 1, 2, 3. I think that was my first number. Let me double check because I already forgot. 740,000, sorry. 740,000. Boom, it's this way. And let's clear that. 17,740,000. 3, okay. Divided by 66 million, and I think it was 730,000. Let me double check. Yeah, 730,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hit enter. And then there should be a math button here too. Let me see if I can convert it to a fraction for me. Boom, and there it is, y'all. Look, they converted it to a fraction. 1,774 over 6673. So I'm going to go 774 over 6673. And if you can tell, y'all, that's exactly what they have right there, okay? Guys, I'm going to repeat the same process. Part B says let's do it for game 5. Okay. So again, I already know my denominator is 66,730,000. Game 5 appears to be 8,450,000. Okay. So look, y'all, I can even do that, and I can even do that just to make my numbers a little bit smaller. So 845 over 6673. I don't know if I can reduce it, but I'm definitely going to try. 845 divided by 6673. Hit enter. Let's go to math. Let's convert it to a fraction. And it was already reduced. So 845 over 63 is my answer for part B. And then y'all, my answer for part C, we're looking at what, game one. So that appears to be 18,110,000 over, again, 66,730,000. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to get rid of those 4 zeros and those 4 zeros. And I'm going to take a wild guess, y'all, and say this one can probably not be reduced either. But in essence, that's really all I'm doing here, okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.